Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll go over review questions 4, 5, and 6. Let's start by taking a look at review question number 4. Which of the following is a situation where the taxpayer must include the canceled or forgiven debt from his or her income? A. Susan's Title 11 bankruptcy where $10,000 was canceled. B. Mary's canceled debt of $25,000 while being insolvent $60,000. C. Kelly's student loans that were canceled in exchange for 4 years of work at her current job. Or D. Ashley's $30,000 canceled credit card debt where she is personally liable. The answer is D. Ashley is personally liable and therefore does not qualify for any exclusions or exceptions. Now let's look at review question number 5. Chris owns and runs a farm in his town. Recently, a $75,000 debt that the farm owned was canceled. All of the following are requirements in order for Chris to exclude the canceled debt in his income, except A. The debt was incurred directly in connection with farming operations. B. The cancellation of debt was made by a qualified individual who is actively engaged in the business of lending money. C. The full $75,000 was loaned to Chris in the past year. Or D. 50% or more of Chris's total gross receipts for the last 3 years were from the business of farming. The correct answer is C. When Chris received the money, has no bearing on whether or not the forgiven debt can be excluded from Chris's income. Now let's take a look at review question number 6. In 2012, John's credit card debt of $10,000 was canceled. Immediately before the cancellation, he was found to have $20,000 of total liabilities, and the fair market value of his assets were $17,000. How much should John include in his taxable income? Would it be A. $7,000, B. $10,000, C. $13,000, or D. 0? The answer is A. John was insolvent $3,000. Because of this, he can exclude the $3,000 from his income. However, the remaining $7,000 of the canceled debt must be included in his taxable income.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.